Have to move these fishes here into this pond. So I will fix the camera here for now, just to establish it. So now the aquarium is here. I just drop the fish here like this, slowly. So the plants are there, and all the fish are here. And I put here. So they're going there. All the fish are going. Like this. All the fish are here now. Nothing left. All the babies are here, so it's satisfying. Brothers, sisters, cousins, all are here on this aquarium. So some of them will eat others. This is natural. I know that this will happen, but I have to put here because it's better for them to grow fast. So don't forget to subscribe, guys, and hit like, share this with your friends, and if you have some questions, just comment. These are Betta fishes from the breeder, so they live together. You don't have to separate. If you found them in the pet shop, don't mix Betta fish because they will fight. So thank you, guys. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye bye.